Is he always like this? Hey, thanks. My brother seems like he's having fun. By the way, did you see that weird outfit he's wearing? We made that a few weeks ago for a costume party. He hasn't worn anything else since. Keeps calling it his battle body. Man, isn't my brother cool? Aw, you are a good person, Sans. I like you. I like you. Ooh, ice cream. Hello. Don't understand why these aren't selling. It's perfectly weathered for something cold. Oh, a customer. Hello, would you like some ice cream? Nice cream. The frozen treat warms your heart. Now, just 15 gold. I can spare one. Have a super duper day. You got the nice cream. I've got nice cream. I like the nice cream. I just had a birthday, so I want to have cake. But ice cream will do in a pinch. It's a ball! Ball, 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 ball. Ball, 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 ball. Uh-oh. Ball, 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 ball. Nope, 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 nope. Ball. Sans, what's going on? I've been thinking about selling treats too. I want something fried snow, it's just 5 gold. Hey, sure, why not? Did I say 5 gold? I meant, no. You're right. That's still too low. No! Where'd my ball go? Ball? What's this? What's this? Is this a complicated game of golf? Snow golf? Boink. Boink. Uh-oh. Get down there. Get down there. Get down there, you bastard. No! Down! Down, all over town. Bonk. Ah! Nope, okay. No, 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 no! Oh, no! What just happened? Okay, so... Bonk. 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 Down, come on. Down. Nope. Come on, come on, come on! Get in there, get in there. Got it! Yes, it was snow golf! That's great! Purple. Even if you felt trapped, you took notice and achieved to the end of ball. You were awarded 2 gold! Haha! Snowball. Snowball? It looks like a snowball. Actually, it's a snowdecahedron. Interesting. A snowdecahedron. That means it's got 10 sides. Probably. I failed math, so, you know, not exactly as strong. So what's up here? Because there was another path. Oh. What is this? Smell danger rating. Snow smell, snowman. White rating can become a yellow rating. Suspicious smell, puppy. Blue rating. Smell of rolling around. Weird smell, humans. Green rating, destroy at all costs. Hello! No? No? Hers. His. Okay. Down we go for more shenanigans with our good friend Papyrus. Human, I hope you're ready for... Sans, where's the puzzle? It's right there, on the ground. Trust me, there's no way they can get past this one. Huh? What's your game, you mad rogue? Monster Kid word search. Hey kids, can you help me solve the puzzle? Well, sure. Wait, are you fucking kidding me? That's your... Let's see here. Let me see if I can find fall. And if there's no... There's monster. I just found monster. It's monster is right here. Is that... I found snot. Probably not what they were going for. Cigar. Cigars. So this is an actual puzzle. But there's not a way to solve it.
Sans, that didn't do anything.
Whoops. I knew I should have used that ace crossword instead.
What? Crossword? I can't believe you said that. In my opinion, Junior Jumble is easily the hardest.
What? Really? Dude, that's an easy peasy word scramble. That was for baby bones.
Unbelievable. Human, solve this dispute.
Which is harder, Jumble or the crossword? I think I'm gonna go with Jumble just because I like Sans better.
Ha! Ha! Yes! Humans must be very intelligent. They also find Junior Jumble the difficult.
Oh, well, shit, I guess I picked the wrong one. I forgot. Thanks for saying Junior Jumble just to appease my brother. Yesterday he got me stumped trying to solve the horoscope. Well, I guess that was the better solution anyway. Oh, perfect. I was just wondering about a safe spot. Heat up the spaghetti. This fills you with determination. Mouse, seriously, what is your game? Why won't you come out? What is this? Spaghetti, a plate of frozen spaghetti. It's cold, it's stuck to the table. It's an unplugged microwave. All of the settings say spaghetti. It's a note from Papyrus.
Human, please enjoy this spaghetti. Little do you know, this spaghetti is a trap designed to entice you. You'll be so busy eating it that you won't realize you aren't progressing. Thoroughly jinked again by the great Papyrus. Papyrus.
Look, I got spider donuts. I don't need this shit. Oh, hello, sign. Warning, dog marriage. Puppy marriage! Where is it? Oh, I want to see a puppy wedding. Oh God. Sighing Jerry. Okay, so let's fight the ice cap. Flop. Oh God, that. Okay, wow. Not cool. Not cool. Not cool. Okay, so let's fight Snowdrake. Okay, better not snowflake out. Cause what is happening? Oh God. Oh lordy. Nope. Oh shit. It smells like a wet pillow. So let's have mercy on two of these. Oh no. Wait, why are we doing this? What a fail. Oh. I gotta check Jerry. I don't know what sign Jerry does. Oh no. Okay, I just saved it, so I can probably get away with not smashing the hell out of, let's check what Jerry's deal is. Jerry, defense 30, everyone knows Jerry makes attacks 2 seconds longer. Cause
Cereal's frosted. Ah!
It smells like a wet pillow. Okay, so... Wait a minute, that's right, I have to laugh at Snowdrake's pun.
See, Laughstat was wrong.
I'm giving him Papyrus's voice, this is ridiculous. No! 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 Ow! Okay, so... Mercy, and now it's only Jerry sneezes without covering his nose. Gross. Jerry! I'm gonna ditch you. You and the other monsters ditch Jerry when it looks away. You won. Dog marriage, dog marriage, dog marriage, dog marriage. No! Give me the dog wedding. It's gonna be the cutest thing ever. What is this? What in the hell? What in the ever-loving hell is all this crap? Okay, that's a map of this stage, so there's something going on with here? There's a switch inside the snow. Click. Huh. Dog wedding, dog wedding, dog wedding. Wait. Were those spikes always there? These dogs look less cute than I was hoping for. What's that smell? Where's that smell? If you hear the smell, identify yourself. Here's that weird smell. It makes me want to eliminate. Eliminate you! Oh, they're kissing! Let's dogamy. Let's say check dogamy, husband and doggeressa. No, knows only what he smells. Don't touch my hot dog. He means me. Aww. Oh boy. Well, okay then. I'm not sure how to handle that. Dogger, this puppy finds her puppy lovely smells only. Ew, gross. Ah, well, okay then. The dogs keep shifting their axes to protect each other. Oh! And even their axes have little faces that kind of match their... Okay. Time to pet you. It is too suspicious of your smell. Don't touch her! Beware of dog. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Ooh, that was terrifying. Okay, the dogs are reevaluating your smell. Maybe if I get Dogany to... Hold on, here, roll around. You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Take my wife's, please. Actually, don't. Oh no! Yeah! Yeah! Damn it. Oh, man. The dogs sniff you again. After rolling in the dirt, you smell alright. What smells like a... You are actually a little puppy. Yeah. Oh, God. The dogs think that you may be a lost puppy. Let's see here. Should I pet them? You pet the doggeressa. What about me? A dog pets a dog. Amazing! Oh god, I don't know how to handle this. The dogs are reevaluating your smell. Re-sniff. The dogs already know you smell fine. Oh boy. Okay, the dogs are saying sickly sweet things to each other. Actually, let me heal up, I think. This is getting a little butterscotch pie. Did I just eat a butt pie? Take my wife's fleas. Don't actually. Okay. I evaluated the situation. Pet dogamy. Wow, pet by another pup. Well, don't leave me out. Okay. Not bad. Boy. The dog's minds have been expanded. Yay! And all without even pulling out my weapon. Yes! Ah, so cute. Dogs can pet each other dogs, and new world has opened up for us. Thanks, weird puppy. You're welcome, beautiful dogs. I love you.